Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about Spring Security with JWT token. So I've created this application and I want to show you how everything works. And so today our goal is to get the token itself. So we'll talk about initial logging flow today. Let's see. We have a post request with this endpoint. In this post request, we have this body with the username and password. And when we send this request, we get as a response, let me see. Yes, we got our token. If password is incorrect, in that case, we will get forbidden. Okay, so let's dive in our code. This is the flow. Okay, let's start with let's dive into let's explore our code, and then we will just get here and just review everything. So we have two config classes here. This is the main one. Here we have, okay, annotation configuration means that we could create beans here. And we have enable web security annotation, which is very important, which switches on everything. And we have this bin here. So this is like a main spot for Spring Security, so all the security stuff. And in this main spot, we have another main spot. It's this one. So here we define all our permissions. Right now, we have permission for our so for this endpoint, so everybody could have access there. And for any other requests, you should be authenticated. Yeah, so that's simple. And next important part is here. So authentication provider. Let's see how we implement it. We have it in general config. Let me see. Yes, so general config, it's also just configuration. So here we create beans, and here we have this bean authentication provider. Pretty simple. So we create here an object of this provider. We pass user detail service here and password encoder. So user detail service, let me show you. So here it is. This is the bin user detail service. Here we have, so usually it's database, but we try to do everything as simple as possible. So we don't need database here at all. We could handle it without database. Here we have two users, Nick and Rita, with passwords. Right now they are the same, doesn't matter. And as a result, we return one of the user. So we search user by name and return it. We return not just user. We return. Let me show you. So let's dive into our user detail service. So what exactly we try to implement here, because as you can see, it's Lambda. And here we try to implement this method. And this method returns user details. So as you can see, load user by username. So we just in other words, we try to find the user by username. So in our case, we're not loading anything from databases or something else. we have just an ordinary simple list of users, and that's it. And we search everything there. Um, so again, this will return one of these users, and that's it. So that's simple. But as you can see, we return user, but this method wants user details from us, and that's why let's jump into our user. And as you can see, it's a simple like class with these fields, and that's it. User password role, that's it. But we implement here user details. So as you can see, so everything. So here, everything here is very simple. So actually, concentrate your attention actually on these two things. Okay, let's. I mean, for our flow right now, we don't need these roles, things like that. Okay, next up, we have a password encoder. So we'll see how it works, but the main idea that it matches password which we pass in our request. So this one, and the password from our so-called database. Yes, so with the password from our user. So this one, this guy here. Yes, and okay, we saw almost everything right now. Let's jump to our controller, REST controller. As you can see, it's endpoint here IP auth and slash authenticate. Now here we pass our body, my user. So we pass. Let's just jump username, password. Let's check username, password. Yeah. Next we have authentication manager. We'll use debug to see how it goes. Okay, next up we have so if everything is fine and we were authenticated, in that case, so as you can see, authentication, we pass here user password authentication token with, so we need principal credentials, so username, password, and if everything is fine, in that case we get here, and here we just create our token based on username, issue date, expiration date. Also we have here this part with so we assign here this secret key. Again, we do everything simple right now. That is why this key is here. I'm not using any properties here, things like that. And so yeah, we got this string, this token, and just return it, and that's it. Yeah, that I don't know, is it simple or not? Let me jump to my file here. So this is the flow, as you can see. So we have authentication manager. Next we have let me show you authentication manager. Yes. So next step we have DA authentication provider. So let me just again show you. It is this guy. Let me show you why it's so DAO authentication provider. It means this. So one of implementation of authentication provider. Next step, user detail service. So we load our so we took one of the users from our list right now. So database list, we got lists. So we just try to find the user by username. That's it. So next step, password encoder. So here as you can see, password encoder has this method matches, and we have this two passwords, and then we return as a result this token. Mm, okay. So okay. We could check it. Well, let me just